Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Darren here with another tech tip. What we have here is a Craftsman push mower with a Briggs & Stratton engine, and the same tip will apply to just about every push mower there is out there with a cable blade brake. If you go to start your mower and it won't start, and you go to pull the bale handle, which is this handle right here down, and it's stiff, the odds are you've got some moisture in your cable and it's built up some rust and it's not allowing the cable to slide through the conduit. So take yourself some WD-40 liquid wrench or whatever you have, remove the cable from the mower, spray it down through the conduit. After you do that, work it a couple times and the bale should act like normal again. And now this push mower runs. This has been fun doing these tech tips over the last 3 months for you guys. This is going to be the final installment of tech tips, unless of course you all would like me to continue. Then please let me know in the comments down below or message me here on YouTube. As always, I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage, and I hope you found this tech tip useful.